Picture January 1st as a biological experiment. What if your body could reset shape like a saved file? Cells don't just follow chemical signals. They share voltage states, and those patterns can store information, like a distributed memory across tissue. That's wild because it suggests the body isn't only built bottom-up from genes. It's also guided top-down by target patterns. This is what a hand should look like. But here's the audit note. We can read some of this electrical language today. Writing it reliably in humans is still frontier science. Still, if shape has memory, regeneration becomes a question of editing memory. Watch the full episode to see the evidence, the limits, and the real path from voltage maps to medicine.